Mr. Gascoigne. This is A-level physics. Physics is the study of the universe and everything in it. If you enjoy learning about everything from the forces binding the smallest subatomic particles to the accelerating expansion of the universe itself, physics could be for you. A-level physics students at Wickersley consistently achieve excellent results through a combination of hard work and a challenging but supportive environment.
Okay, so A-level physics builds on what you've learned before at GCSE. You're going to do some familiar topics like waves, electricity, mechanics, and we'll do those in much more depth and a little bit more complicated. You'll also learn about unfamiliar topics such as quantum physics, medical physics, astrophysics and cosmology, and they'll really give you a taste of the specialised fields that physics can lead to. In terms of the assessment for A-level physics, it's assessed through 3 exams at the end of year 13. There are also something called the practical endorsement, that's a number of practical activities that are completed in lessons throughout the course.
A-level physics opens doors. Universities and employers recognise that students who succeed in physics are highly motivated, highly literate and numerate, and expert problem solvers. A-level physics is an essential qualification for physics and engineering based courses at university, but an A-level in physics will also put you ahead of the pack in many sectors, from accounting to zoology to engineering or law and medicine. Let's hear from some of our current students.
There's a big jump between GCSE and A-level physics, with the fact that most of the content is a lot more in-depth and complex, but a lot of the subjects and topics that we started learning at A-level were the same as what we did in GCSE, so we already had a basic knowledge of what we were learning.
One of the main differences between A-level and GCSE physics is how the knowledge that you learn at GCSE and the new content is applied to the world in both macroscopic and microscopic scenarios. So my favourite topics within physics is the quantum physics aspect, as it's awe-inspiring, really.
I found so far A-level physics to be really fascinating, especially space, and how we can learn about the world in much more detail and depth than we previously thought we could. After A-levels, I'm wanting to go to university to study architecture.
And I'm wanting to do economics at university.
A-levels allow for more complex ideas to be discussed. I've really enjoyed the transition, and it's helped me to develop my ideas even more thoroughly.
A lot of physics at GCSE tests how well you can remember things, but at A-level you gain a much deeper understanding.
It's most difficult at the start, but as you progress, the content becomes easier to grasp and understand. Perseverance and determination is required, especially when you come to a difficult topic, but is rewarded quite greatly.
I would like to study computer science for a degree at university. Physics has helped me build key skills such as problem solving and analysis.
I'd like to pursue a career in engineering. I'm going to be using my mathematical knowledge and my physics problem solving skills to help me.
I'm aspiring to study medicine and to become a doctor, so the medical physics topic for me has been very useful as it's relevant to the field of medicine. Beyond this, I've found physics to be an extremely interesting subject to study as you just understand more of the world around you and how it works.